This phone doesn't turn on. This current is usually due to CPU cold solder joint. Using our Guofenghui fixture to secure the motherboard, isolated the flash memory first. Air-gauge temperature 270, wind speed 40, and it synchronously removed the adhesive around the CPU with the knife. Temperature 395 or 375, wind speed 70, evenly heat above the CPU. After removing the CPU, clean the solder pads. Temperature 270 or 350. Remove the adhesive from the pads. After cleaning the pads, clean the CPU. The desoldering on the chip should be done quickly and not stay for too long. Temperature 270. Remove the adhesive on the chip. We see that most of the balls have oxidized, which is why they want to know. First, use a brush. Then use a steel brush to clean the oxidation balls. The oxidation ball must be cleaned thoroughly to avoid rework. Next, use our Guofenghui solder paste for soldering. Timbal particles are full, without virtual soldering or rework. Temperature 355, wind speed 50, heating. The chip is cooled, then blown with a fan. Clean it up and install the phone. Perfect repair. Follow and subscribe to me, continuously sharing repair tips and practical products with you.